Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to share how to make property deals, below market deals, come to you instead of you going out there looking for them. I've been asked so many times, Rahim, there's so many stuff going out there. It's very difficult to get property deals and it's very difficult for securing below market deals because the market is absolutely crazy right now. But what I'm going to do in this video, I'm going to share how you could get these deals coming to you, okay? So you don't have to worry about going out there, negotiating with agent and etc, etc. So in this video, I'm going to share that to you. But before we get going, if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of this amazing tutorial. Okay, so how do you really get the deals coming to you? It's very simple and easy, but you have to implement it, okay? Attend event and seminars. Attend property event and seminar. Well, you may be thinking I'll be bringing some amazing sort of technique. So that's one of them. Attend the property events and seminars. And in most event, when you attend, they would ask you to introduce yourself, right? You've got 30 seconds to introduce yourself. So when they ask you to introduce yourself, go precise. Say who you are, your name, where you're from, and what you are looking for. So if you are an investor looking for below market deals, say who you are and say, I'm looking to buy property or investment properties in this area. I'm looking for properties that I can add significant value to. Again, people would know exactly what you're after and what you're looking for. Again, network with the people, speak to people, spend 5-10 minutes with people. Try to understand how you could get information from those people as quickly as possible so you don't waste your time talking to the wrong person. Don't just collect the business cards. After you've collected the business card during the meeting, give them a call, ask them how you may be able to help them. Hopefully that way you build a relationship with them. If anything like that comes up, they will think about you. If you're going to seminars, again, when you have your lunch breaks or when you have your breaks, talk to people, sit in different position. Don't just sit in one place throughout the seminar. Change location, change seats, talk to people. Don't be shy. You're there to network and understand what people are after, and then try to find a win-win resolution. And also always try to add value to whoever you talk to. Tell them about your experience, what you've been doing. If you have a success story, talk about your success stories, talk about what you've achieved and how long you've been in the market. And if you're not experienced enough, you can use your career. Suppose you've got a good job, use your career. If you don't have a good job, just talk about something that you are very, very good at, because then that what makes people remember you, okay, when you tell them stories about yourself. So if something like that comes up, they will get in touch with you and tell you about those deals. And again, the other thing you need to do basically is to tell everyone about what you're doing, okay? Don't hide it. Don't keep it a little secret. When I started, I had that problem. My property investment was a little secret. Nobody knew about it, okay? I lost so many opportunities about as a result. So tell everybody what you're doing. Go on social media, post, tell people you want below market deals. Tell people you're a property investor. Tell people you've bought XYZ properties. Show people what you're doing. If you have a renovation project going, show them what you're doing. If you just bought a property, show the keys online. Show people that you're actually doing what you're saying you would like to do. So that then bring authority and reassurance, and people would know you for what you do. So you've got Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, Clubhouse. Speak to everybody, basically. Get them to know who you are and what you do. And then also post regularly in social media. Basically post there, tell people you're looking for XYZ. If you're looking for investors, also say exactly what you're looking for and what your returns are, and then do a call to action. Say if they're interested to actually get in contact with you. So if you used to go on Facebook to look at people's statuses, so you need to start posting on your status, right? Tell people what you're looking for. LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, if you use Twitter as well, tell people what you're looking for and what you are after, and then post it consistently. Just don't do it once and then you don't do it for like 2-3 weeks. You have to do it twice or once every single day, so that you will stay relevant and people will see your post. Because some occasion people may not see your post, but then if you've got that going, then people will say you can even automate posts now in Facebook. You can automate it for 7 days, so it would automatically post to your page, and then people would then start noticing you, and then eventually will come to you when the right deal comes. And the other thing you also do, you do post letters right? To properties that are on the market. Okay, look for properties that have been on the market for say over 3 months. Send letters to these people, right? Send it to the landlords, to the homeowners. Tell them you're interested in buying their property. If you have properties for cash, if you have cash ready, tell them you buy your property cash. If you're using a bridge, tell them you could use a bridge and you can complete within 4 to 6 weeks. Because most of these landlords, if the property has been on the market for a very long time, say 3 months, they are motivated sellers now. They want to sell their property because they want to move on to do something else. So if you send that letter across to them and tell them you can buy their property within 4 to 6 weeks, guess what? They will be ringing your phone, they'll be buzzing, and then when they ring you, don't panic, okay? Get your plans right, and then obviously tell them what you could offer them, okay? And then, or you could do a Google ad, for example. If you've got a bit of money, you could do a Google advertising campaign. If you have a gold mine area, suppose your gold mine area is in Burnley, do a Google ad focusing in Burnley specifically, telling people that target homeowners or residential landlords or landlords, and tell them that do a post that tells them that you're interested in buying their property. If you're doing rent to rent, tell them you want to rent on their property. Or if you're doing lease options agreement, whatever it is, just put that post out there and let people know about it. Guess what? They'll be buzzing you, ringing your phone, emailing you, or contacting you via the mediums that you said you are available, okay? And when you're out walking as well, right? When you're out walking, look for vacant properties, empty properties, properties that have been neglected, properties that have been empty for a very, very long time. Take the numbers, okay? Write letters to these people, or knock the door, knock next door's neighbor, find out about these properties, find out who owns this property, and then see if you can get their contact number. Either you can call them or get their full address where you could post the letters to. Alternatively, you can post the letters to this address, because most of these landlords have a redirection set up for any letters that hits those properties. So again, they will get your letters, and then obviously they would contact you to see how you could buy their properties. And again, I'm going to warn you here, it's not something that you just do once and expect results. It has to be consistent. It has to be something that you do frequently. It has to be something that you can plan. You suppose you want to target an area doing letters or leaflets. You could say, okay, every 2 weeks you send letters out, or every week you send letters out, or every 3 weeks, but it has to be consistent, because maybe the first letter may get lost through the post. You never know. The second one may be dropped, but owner never bother to read it. But then maybe the third one would be the one he picks up and read, and then once he read that, he may have contacted that way, or the fourth one even. But what I would say is, basically, you may be investing money doing that. You may be thinking you are losing money, but trust me, if you got a one good deal out of that, it will pay for all the marketing you would have done. And again, they will be coming to you. Then you've got the advantage to actually negotiate and get the property to the price you want. Or the thing I'm going to warn you here is, do not take advantage. Be ethical, responsible, and try to help these people, because most of these people are people that are really struggling to look after these properties or do not know about properties. So do not take advantage by buying these properties significantly below market value and then end up ripping these people off. So make sure you foster a win-win resolution when they come to you and explain their problems to you. Make sure you try to help them resolve that issue instead of grabbing the property away from them and obviously do it to whatever you want to use it for. Again, I'm running a free property investment crash courses every month. I would love to have you there. I do it every month, so you can come and join me. You can learn about the most recent property investment strategy. I can get to meet you, get to know you as well. And I also have free 30-minute strategic call as well. You can ring me, you can book an appointment, ring me. I can spend 30 minutes with you for free, absolutely free. Talk about your property journey. You can tell me what you intend to do. I can also brief you about the most recent property strategies out there that you may be able to take advantage of. And also, if there's any way I could help you, we would make a plan on how I could work with you to help you take you to the next level. And I'm also doing something that I've never done in my life. I am inviting people in my home or my home office as a form of the discovery day, where you would spend a whole day with me. going through recent property strategies. We could learn about your business plan. We could then structure a strategy that would get you to where you are to and where you want to go. And then obviously you can then walk away with that business plan to go and execute and get yourself to the next level. And if you like this video or any of my videos, hit the like button below, subscribe to my YouTube channel for more of these videos. I look forward to sharing the next video. Thank you so much for listening.